सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन इंडियन चैनल। आपका स्वागत है। आज हम वीडियो पे देखने वाले हैं गाइस यूनिट 3 और इस टॉपिक को पढ़ने वाले हैं। और यूनिट 3 का टॉपिक को पढ़ने वाले के साथ साथ हम इस वीडियो को देखने वाले हैं। तो यूनिट 3 में क्या लिखा है? सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग एसईएम। अभी हमने सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पढ़े, तो इसमें सर्च इंजन मार्केटिंग एसईएम पढ़ेंगे। तो क्या ठीक है। और पेपर क्लिंग पीपीसी भी पढ़ेंगे, एडवर्टाइजमेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग पीपीसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म स्ट्रेटेजी। पीपीसी क्या होता है? पेपर क्लिक एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक प्लेटफॉर्म होता है जो स्ट्रेटेजी कुछ स्ट्रेटेजीज होती है, इसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट चलता है। Keyword research for PPC, choosing a relevant keyword for your advertising campaign, creating effective ad copy, crafting English and precision ad copies, landing pages optimization, designing landing pages that convert visitor, PPC campaign management, tracking conversion optimization, PPC campaign, search engine marketing, SEM pay per click, advertising, understanding PPC advertising platform strategies. Search engine marketing SEM. Search engine marketing SEM is a digital marketing strategy used to increase the website visibility on search engine result page SERP through paid advertisement. It allows business to target a user who are actively searching for specific product or services. The most widely used SEM platform include Google Ads, Microsoft Advertisement. SEM different from SEO, search engine optimization, because SEM involve a paid placement while SEO focus on organic ranking. Pay per click PPC advertising. What is a PPC? Pay per click. A PPC is a model of digital advertising where advertisers pay a fees each time someone click on their ad instead of bringing traffic organically. Business by visit to their site. PPC ad typically appears at the top of search engine results on a partner website, on shopping feeds, on a video platform. Major PPC advertising platform. Google Ads, largest PPC platform globally. Ads appear on Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, and display network. Offer keywords targeting, audience targeting, remarketing, and save shopping ads. Microsoft advertising ad appear on Bing, Yahoo, and partner network. Often a lower cost per click (CPC) compared to Google. Good for reaching older or professional demographics. Meta ads. Ads on a Facebook and Instagram. Strong demographic interest based targeting. Ideal for visuals and social engagement campaigns. LinkedIn ads target by job titles, industry, company sites. Effective for B2B marketing. Amazon ads target shopkeepers with the purchase intent. Great for product-based business. How PPC work? Keyword selections. Advertisement build on a keyword relevant to their business. Ad occasions when a user search platform run action based on the build. Add a quality source, expected click-through rate, landing page expression. Add a rank determination, the highest combination, better quality, win better placement. Payment. Advertising pay only when a user clicks the ad. Before PPC strategy. Keyword strategy use a higher intent keyword, buy the higher near me, use long tail keyword, less competitive, higher conversion rate, apply negative keyword to filter relevant traffic. Audience target things, demographic, location, device, interest, remarketing, target past visitor. Smart building strategies. Manual CPC, enhanced CPC, target CPA, cost per acquisitions. Acquisitions. Target was return on ad spend. Add a copy optimization, strong headlines, clear value proposition, call to action. Used to add an extension, styling, color, structure, snippet. Landing page and optimization, fast load speed. Clear message, match, simple form, trust, signal, review, testimony. KPPC metrics to track CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, CPA, cost per acquisition, ROAS, return on ad spend, quality score, conversion rate. Advantage of PPC, immediate traffic, highly measurable, precision targeting, budget control, scalable composition. Challenges of PPC, competitive keyword can be expensive, require ongoing optimization, risk of wasted and spend without strategically forward in some industries. Bigger fraud in some industry. Example use case. The local service business can run a geo-targeting search ad on Google Ads, a user remarkable through Meta ads and track conventional conversion optimized bidding for maximum ROI. Instant traffic is easy to target a specific audience. Pay only for performance. Total control over campaign is easy to measure results. And 46% of people searching cannot identify paid ads from search results. Paid ads typically take up 85% about the full pixels. Keyword research for PPC, choosing a relevant keyword for your advertising campaign. Choosing the right keyword for your PPC campaign. Relevance keyword, long tall keyword, use keyword tool, analyze computer, consider user interface. Understanding search intent. Not all the keywords are equal. Focus on commercial and transition intent. Intent time information. What is the digital marketing law? Navigation and NAC official website law. Commercial